Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little different. I recently subscribed to FabFitFun and I just got my first box today. So I am going to do an unboxing on camera. I've never even opened this box, so you guys will get to see my first reactions to all of the products in here. So let's get started. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's dig in and see what is in here. There's a postcard. I got this cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar from Luna Rica. I'll probably have that as a snack today. Here is this umbrella, it looks like, from Catherine Malandrino. This is cute. I keep an umbrella in my car because I travel a lot, drive from patient to patient. So I will keep this in my car. Very cute, I love the cover. And I got some Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Mask from Glam Glow. I absolutely love these. I have a few of these already. So I will just add this to the collection that I have. Another beauty blender. I probably have about 10 of these and I absolutely love these. So again, I'll just add it to my collection. This is a shower gel from Blue and Capri. Oh, this actually smells really good. And we have a Do It All Total Eye Cream from Pharmacy. This is pretty neat. Okay, this is a Grown Alchemist Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser from Olive Leaf and Plantango Extract. Okay, this is a Simply Whimsical Homemade Towel. So let's open this package up and see what is in here. And oh, these are kitchen towels. How cute. I love this. This will be a nice touch for the condo. I'm moving, by the way, so this will be very cute. Maybe I'll have to order more so that I can have a few matching pairs. I love that. Bag, I have seen this a few times already on the internet. And this is, oh my, I love this color. This is perfect. Absolutely love it. The quality looks beautiful. Oh yes. We're definitely gonna have to make an outfit out of this. Okay, one more thing. And this is a Alfred French press coffee maker. I am not a coffee drinker, so I'll probably have to donate this. I don't know who I would give it to, but I will figure it out. That is it for our unboxing. The box is empty. Therefore, the unboxing video has come to an end. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I cannot wait to try some of these products. Do not forget to like and subscribe down below, and as always, hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video with me again. All right, see you later.